with Indie Arts, and I am affectionately known as the Expo Maven for the 10th Annual Expo for the Independent Arts and Media. This year is our 10th year, like I said. We are in Golden Gate Park for the first time in the Music Concourse. It's been a great day. It's our second time outdoors, so I think we're going to continue with an outdoor theme because it just is so great to have all the different disciplines of art, the murals, the sculptures, the live performances, and of course all the exhibitors. We've had some great exhibitors this year, returning exhibitors, new exhibitors, and we look forward every year to bringing more people together, connecting the arts community, literary arts, performing arts, multimedia arts, and visual arts, of course. We have great collectives, we have great musicians, amazing artists, amazing literary personnel, and it's really great to bring all of them together year after year for a great day out in the park.
We're with a new documentary. It's called My Garbage, My Neighborhood, and we are here to show a trailer. It's a film that looks at some problems and issues over recycling and garbage and what people do with their stuff in the Haight-Ashbury neighborhood of San Francisco. And that's it. We've got a ghetto multimedia set up here, viewing booth to take a look at some footage we've shot already. And we're just having fun, hanging out, and enjoying everybody's work here at Indie Arts Expo.
The Crucible is an industrial arts school located in Oakland, and at the Crucible you can take classes in all kinds of metalworking, glassworking, ceramics, jewelry making, woodworking, and much more. Some of the things that we have on the table here are some of the things that people have made. This is a ukulele that was made in a instrument making class, and this is metal sculpture made by one of our instructors, and these are examples of blacksmith's work that can be done. This is stuff that you learn to do in the beginning blacksmithing class, actually, and it's just a small sampling of the things that we do at the Crucible. We also do fire performance, and so you can learn how to work with poi and fire dancing and fire eating and motorcycle repair and bicycle frame making and many other things. It's a great way to unleash your creativity. There is a website, www.thecrucible.org.
City halls filled with love for all genders. Rings were exchanged without